let's look at this here. Kind of thinking about getting this jetpack. The dash boots and the rest of it is nice, but you think it's either that or the tank booster. Big booster is also nice. I think I might get the jetpack. That's 'cause I keep trying to do my jetpack, but it's obviously I don't have it. So I might have to just get that. That way I stop jumping and thinking I'm a jetpack when I won't. That's in there. Oh. Alright. I think right here's a good place to stop for the first episode. I hope everybody's enjoying this so far.